Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Chrome privacy and security set. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on the dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find several important options. Begin with Clear Browsing Data. Click on it to remove any unwanted cookies and cache. You can choose to clear data from the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Select the types of data you wish to clear. Once selected, click Clear Data. Next, return to the Privacy and Security section. Click on Security. Choose the option labeled Enhanced Protection for better security. This setting warns you about dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Now, go back to Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. This section allows you to manage site-specific permissions. Scroll down to Cookies and Site Data. Here, enable block third-party cookies for increased privacy. Now navigate back to Site Settings. Review permissions like camera, microphone, and location. Update any permissions to restrict access as needed. Return to Privacy and Security once more. Click on Sandbox. Enable this feature to safeguard against vulnerabilities. Lastly, consider using a VPN for added privacy on public networks. After making these adjustments, close the Settings tab. Your Google Chrome is now configured for enhanced privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.